Happy Friday, everybody. September the 19th, 2025. In case you don't know me, my name is Eric. I have been trading prop firms now for 3 years, and this is my trading recaps of me trading my 4 straight to funded Lightning accounts with Tradeify. Today, I did take a loss, and we will be covering that recap in this video. But before we do, I just wanted to kind of go over my week and just the status of these 4 accounts. So let's go ahead and jump into the Tradeify calendar. We have the Tradeify calendar here that just updated. So this week, I broke even. We had a loss on Monday, a break even on Tuesday, no trade on rate decision day, win yesterday, and then another loss today, unfortunately. But we survived the week, and the accounts are still alive. They are honestly, some of them are a little bit in profit just because of some trade copier issues and some slippage and stuff like that. This is the total balance. If you kind of divide that by 4, that's where I'm at. So they're basically all at $0. Funny thing is, I've been trading these accounts now for today was my 20th trading day with these accounts. And my first payout with Tradeify, I was able to do it in 14 days. So it just shows you kind of like what I've been going through. I've had a lot of struggles, and now I think it's just also like the market conditions overall. So right now it's just about survival, and hopefully we can get that momentum, not just in the price action soon, but also in my P&L. But you know, I'll take it. The accounts are still alive. We're sitting at a $0 balance basically, and we can only go up from here, right? So anyways, that's what's going on with the accounts. Before we go into the recap, just so you know, I have a free income and expense tracker specifically made for prop firms using Google Sheets. You can download that for absolutely free if you'd like, in the description below. Also, make sure you like and subscribe to the video. And let's go ahead and get into today's recap. Good morning. Happy Friday, September 19th, 2025. Kind of recording this a little later in the day just because it was looking like a no trade day here. We had the previous day high from yesterday, and then we have the previous day low there, but we're kind of diddling in the middle. But as you can see, this was a rejection point right up here. And this is the 15-minute range, and now we are kind of dipping out of the range. So could be looking for a possible short to kind of target these lows here and the overnight lows there as well. So that's what I'm kind of waiting for. We'll see if we can get like a 5-minute closure and then a possible entry. We are getting a pretty big breakdown here out of the range. But what I wanted to see was us kind of get past this little demand zone, if you will, right here. As well as the 15-minute EMA. I think if we can clear this, then we can look to target those lows right there. So that is what I'm waiting for, and we will see if we get a entry here or not. If we can close here, I'm going to submit an order below this 5-minute candle right here. I like the way we close below this little demand, so I'm tapped in, and my stop is going to be right at the top of this 5-minute candle. So yeah, we got my stop right here, and then we're gonna basically be targeting here, switch back here. We're gonna be targeting these lows, so I'll just draw the risk reward out here. We got tapped in right here. We got our 5-point stop, and then again, we're targeting these lows right here. So we're gonna go ahead and let this play out. Let's go ahead and see what happens.
Order canceled.
Took a loss there, took a stab at it, is what it is. Went minus 250 there. So essentially, basically ended up break even on the week. To be honest, I'll take it at this point. So we're basically break even on the week and break even on the accounts. Like the accounts are basically right at $0. And we've been trading these accounts for, I believe, 20 trading days, which is pretty impressive. Again, that's, you know, I gotta look at that as progress overall, you know, not blowing the accounts, trading them for that long, going, you know, in the $700, $800 in drawdown, able to get them out, and now just kind of hanging around this break even. So we just got to keep pushing. I mean, I thought about not taking a trade today, to be honest, because the price action was wonky, but I had to go ahead and just follow my plan there and it was a good trade in my opinion. We got below that. I wanted to see us close below this little support line here that I had drawn out. We did that and got a little push down, and then just didn't have the momentum to follow through there. Is what it is. We're gonna go ahead and enjoy the weekend, and we'll get back to it next week. I mean, it's just been a fucking grind, you know, and we'll just keep at it. Make sure you like and subscribe to the video, and I will see y'all next week.